Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome to today's trade of the day, and for today's trade of the day we are looking at pound Aussie. Right, so this is what I have here, pound Aussie on the daily, and looking at market structure, we see that price is making higher highs, higher lows and higher highs. So what we can expect price to do is to push up and make a higher high. Now before that, price could also possibly make the same high, so of course we can have our final TP on the daily high over there. Right, so let's put the daily high, the TP, over here, and like I said, we can actually draw a trend line to show that price is actually holding above this ascending trend line support. So very quickly, let's go down into the 4 hours. Alright, we can actually tidy up this trend line. Alright, try to touch as many candles as possible without cutting the candle body. Okay, we can also have we can do a retracement of the last push up, right, from this low to this high. We see that price, okay, open off Fibonacci ratio, okay, price is holding quite close above the 76.40 level. Alright, so let's just put our stop loss, okay, just a bit below the 76.40, just in case price overextends. Alright, and this can, like I mentioned earlier, this will be our final take profit. This is based on the daily high. Right? Okay, so with that, we can actually also take a retracement of this push down. Alright, because this is one movement from high to low, and we can have our first TP right at the 61.8, the intraday TP at the 61.8 level. Alright, so this is working out to look really nice. We've got two take profit levels. Now let's go down to the lower time frame to look for our entry. Alright, let's ignore the trend line for now. Okay, so we see that price made a very strong push up. Okay, but just checking retracement, we see the price is holding below the 38.2. I'm thinking with such a strong push up, price normally would actually make a small pullback, right? So we can actually look for a small pullback. I don't really like doing a Fibonacci like that, because if price goes higher, then it means that I have to keep adjusting my Fibo level, right? But in the absence of completed moves, okay, I would think that the best entry level will be one at 50%, the graphical overlap support. Okay, in close, you can actually see that there's a graphical overlap support here, but I'll use the spike, okay, 50% as an entry. Alright, so this can be my buy entry. Okay, so I'm waiting for price to come back to this level. Alright, and let me zoom out to the 4 hour. Okay, so I'm waiting for price to come back to this level before I go long to finish up the week. Okay, so just remember, on the daily we're on a long-term ascending trend. Alright, we zoom into the 1 hour to tidy up the trading idea. Okay, and last but not least, we can actually also include an indicator like stochastics, and we see that stochastics is actually testing the low. Alright, it's not a too sensitive setting, it's actually testing the low. Alright, and every time stochastics reaches this resistance, alright, there's a strong reaction in price, right? So we're expecting to see a stronger reaction over here as well. So that's all the time that we have for today's trade of the day. I wish you guys all the best. Trade safe, stay safe. I'll catch you guys next week. Thank you.